2020, a Border-style puppy was left next to a bin in a park, beaten to death and left in an Adidas bag. In the same year, a dog was left collapsed and bleeding in the same park after being attacked with a machete. This dog was lucky enough to survive. These are only two of the unimaginably horrific cases that I read during the research of my speech. On average, every 30 seconds, the RSPCA receives a call about a new animal abuse case. Every year, there are over 1 million cases about animal abuse, and with only 100,000 able to be solved. As recently as last weekend, someone chopped down a tree containing a nest of a rare osprey in Wales. What can be done to stop animal cruelty, and how many lives could be saved through this? Ecclesiastes tells us that we are all the same in the eyes of God, humans and animals, neither is more superior. But what happens to the children of man and what happens to the beast is the same. As one dies, so dies the other. They all have the same breath, and man has no advantage over the beast, for all is vanity. Animals are the same as humans. They eat, sleep and care for their babies. It is our responsibility to live alongside animals and care and respect for them, not to consider ourselves superior and their lives worth less. The treatment of livestock in farming has improved over the years due to the Welfare of Livestock Act in 1994. This ensures that animals in farms are kept in acceptable and comfortable conditions with adequate diets and proper care. However, there is no such legislation that protects pets outside the pet shop. Only guidance is included in the Animal Welfare Act, which makes it really difficult to punish and give consequences to people treating animals poorly. So I ask the question again, what can be done to stop cruelty to animals? If guidance were more readily available to new pet owners, this could maybe help them to understand the responsibility involved in looking after and caring for an animal. Respect for animals could be introduced from a young age by bringing animals into school to teach students not only about the responsibility but the importance of seeing animals as a life and not an object to treat as you wish. As Albert Einstein said, if a man aspires to have a righteous life, his first act of abstinence is from injury to animals.